Tell me about it, eh?
What's that?
What happened? I want to know everything you saw and heard. Everything.
Monica, come on now, come along.
Let go of me! I'm Alberto Ranieri. She's my wife.
Excuse me.
Monica, speak to me. What happened?
Please, you're tiring her.
Monica. Oh. Dear, who did it? Who?
I've run through it over and over again. I can't get it out of my head, but I can't manage to pin it down either.
Let me finish. He isn't even Italian, and you're making him risk his life. Somebody's already tried to kill him once.
Julia.
And what makes you so sure they won't try again? You're blackmailing him. Look out behind! Oh!
I can't hold it! Oh!
Frustrating, desperate, wild terror clutched at her heart. This woman suddenly afraid that she was alone with death in a strangely deserted city.
Please, somebody answer.
We're right in the middle. They'll kill all of us, I tell you. They'll kill us. I'm getting out of here, now.
Keep away! Each of them had been forgotten in the biggest mass evacuation in history to live a day and night of incredible terror from the unknown.
By the fingers. Jim, give me a hand.
Are they ours?
I think so.
Then they're going to bomb the city.
Just keep your fingers crossed that we're not in the middle of the target.
You mean you'd kill all the others just to save your own life?
Yours too. Don't forget that.
You must be insane if you think you...
I'm warning you. Keep back.
You won't shoot.
My name is Emile Franchel, and I am a psychologist specializing in hypnotism. You are about to see a preview of the most fantastic advance ever to be made in the history of motion picture entertainment, called Hypnovista. It is a psychological technique whereby you, seated in the auditorium, actually become part of the action you see on the screen. Let me show you something. You will feel absolutely no pain at all. How do you feel?
Fine, thank you.
Well, thank you, young lady. We'll get back to removing the needles in just a few moments. This is the power of suggestion. So I suggest that you see this motion picture, see and actually feel.
No human eyes have ever seen anything like this before.
Clever. Fiendishly clever.
Ingenious enough to give us the third brutal murder in 2 weeks.
Aren't these similar to the pair you have in your Black Museum?
Why did you bring a stranger down here, you stupid fool? You know I never allow any outsider to snoop round my workshop. This Black Museum is our private world. And now, thanks to you, it has been invaded.
Hidden from the eyes of the world in a private Black Museum are savage souvenirs of torture, belonging to a man who enjoys the feel of cold steel more than the exciting touch of warm flesh.
You feel!
Oh, come on, dearie. Show me how fast you can chase him around the room now.
Give me back my cane!
Not until I've told you everything. Been saving it up for you. Without your cane, you're only half a man. Without your money, you'd be no man at all.
Come on in. We've been expecting you.
Expecting us?
Join this international trio in a real-gone interworld escapade.
Have you ever seen a head pursued by a body? No, sir.
Well, I have. It's horrible.
Sir, would you mind posing just the way you are? Come on, let's get out of here.
I forbid you, sir.
You forbid all you like. You can't scare me. I'm leaving now.
When this cool cat gets ghost-frozen stiff, this hepcat moves in to make time. But a ghostly chaperone breaks it up.
Don't, Charles, don't!
Help yourself to a castle full of fear-filled fun.
Look out!
An unbelievable adventure into the realm of the unreal. The Headless Ghost. He's your host. Enjoy the carnal pleasures of people long gone.
Picture of our time has ever unleashed sharp spectacle of such scope and realism as up from the depths of prehistoric mystery rages Virgo. The headlines of the world blaze the fabulous story of this monster from another age, catapulted from some vast sub-ocean cavern by unprecedented volcanic action. And the headlines scream the story of the reckless skin divers who captured the monster and put it on exhibition.
Sam! Pull up!
Drop the nets!
What do you think you're doing? Okay, take it easy.
I can't let him go back to the sea where he belongs.
Why?
Maybe to save their silly skins for you.
Hurry, hurry, hurry to see Gogo.
But the headlines do not record the story of a little boy who had a curious sympathy and understanding for the fantastic creature. What strange secret does he know that scientists only suspect?
You trying to say there may be a fully grown one of these things around somewhere? How big would a full-grown one be?
An approximate guess. The infant, the adult.
That would make it nearly 200 feet tall.
Wreaking terrible vengeance against the civilization that has captured its offspring. Towering over the cities of the world as millions flee its awesome terror.
Repent! Repent while you still can! Repent!
Nothing can stop it. Defying the force of the army. The might of the Navy.
Fire number 1, Terry. Ready to open fire, sir. Fire 1.
Even the fury of the jets. In a crashing crescendo of sights never before beheld by human eyes, and adventures never before experienced by any man or woman.